What's up everybody, Hardcore Hard C here again. Hope you're all keeping well and safe, enjoying the weather we've been having. As you can see, I have trimmed my beard, but the hair is still long and horrible. Just waiting for the barbers to open again. So I'm booked in for next week to get the hair cut. Looking forward to it. Before we get into it, obviously if you guys like what we're doing, please hit the subscribe button. Give us a like and turn on notifications. I thought I'd do a unboxing video today. Had something turn up which I bought yesterday. I will put a link to where I got it from below. This isn't a distraction from running the cars and everything, but this is just something to add. Thought I'd give it a try, see where we go with it, and it might also help me do some improved videos. So anyway, let's get into it. That's right guys, I've bought myself a Mavic Mini. Never flown a drone before, so this could be interesting. But I've gone for the Mini because you don't need a license or anything. Give it a go, and obviously we like it, then hey, we get into it a bit more. We might go up and get the Air 2. And I went for the Fly More kit, mainly because it comes with 3 batteries, so it saves you having to buy more. It comes with the cage, because I haven't flown a drone before, so it could be interesting. It also comes with the case. So for the little bit extra, I thought I'd go for that. Well, that's the case, that's very nice. I think the drone could already be in there. What else will we get? Everything out of there. So what do we have in here? 3 batteries. Very good. What is in this one? No instructions. Telling you how to fly it. I will probably need to read that. USB plug. So the drone must be in the case. Yep, this is the battery charger, so we need to get the batteries all on charge. So I have heard this doesn't charge the batteries in series or simultaneously. You do need, it charges one, then the next, once that's full it charges the next one, then the next one, then the next one, which I don't have an issue with personally. I know some people sort of complain about it, but at least when one battery's charged, you're ready to go. You don't have to wait for all 3 to be charged. What's this under here? Another box. Lots of boxes. Oh, this is all the leads, so I'll dig that out. Another box under here. Oh, spare blades. It's quite handy, we'll probably need those. This is the controller. Wow, it's heavier than I thought it would be actually, the controller. A bit surprised at that. A lot heavier than I thought it would be. And then the actual drone. That is light. Okay guys, so looking at this, please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. So we'll remove the gimbal protector. Not that we're taking off just yet, but get these stickers off. And I think gimbal protector. I will keep this because obviously QR code on it, so I will keep that and have a scan of that and see what that's trying to tell me to do. Number 1, unfold these arms forward. Unfold rear arms downwards. Ah. Guys, and there she is. Obviously still very light because I haven't got the battery in there yet. It is telling me to charge the batteries before we do anything, so I will get those batteries on charge. Put this away for now and get the batteries on charge. There we go. Well, you can see that. Charging this battery first. And it will go along. So we'll leave that charging. I'm going to go away and have a read up while the batteries are charging. And then we'll come back, see if we can get a little flight going. Oh, the other thing that came with it, which I probably will put on it, and to start off with, is these cages, just to help protect it, and certainly whilst I'm learning to fly a drone, because I've never, as I said, never flown a drone before. We can put these on, which will help protect it, certainly indoors, where I will probably start practicing my flying. Okay guys, so there we have it. I'm going to get the batteries charged up, then I'll come back and hopefully I will give it an attempt at flying it, possibly indoors. Could be interesting, and give you some in-flight footage. That's my plan anyway.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?
There we have it guys, that's the unboxing of the Mavic Mini. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, then please subscribe, give us a like, turn on the notifications. Hopefully we'll be able to give you some better footage of the cars driving, not flying, but the cars driving as well. Anyway, take care everyone. See you on the next video.